Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, so you jump straight to action. This avoids navigating menus. Once visible, make sure to switch to more details so you can see all running processes and their resource usage. You should scan the list and mark tasks for deletion, paying attention to processes that other apps depend on. Doing this prevents accidental closures that cause crashes. Next, sort by CPU or memory to target the heaviest tasks first and confirm your choices. You now select the tasks you want to delete. Use Shift plus click for a block or Control plus click for non-contiguous items so you control exactly which processes go. Once selected, right-click and choose End Task to terminate them. Windows will close the processes immediately. Make sure to confirm prompts for apps with unsaved work. This is why you noted dependencies earlier. If a process refuses to end, use End Process Tree to remove child processes. But be careful, this can close several related programs at once. You finish by forcing termination when needed. Select the stubborn process and use End Process Tree to remove it and its children. This solves many lingering tasks. Once done, make sure to verify in Task Manager and Resource Monitor that CPU, memory, and disk usage return to normal. This confirms success. If a process immediately restarts or the system behaves oddly, restart your computer to reset services. Troubleshooting tip: if a task reappears, scan for background services or scheduled tasks that auto-launch it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.